Okay. I'm trying to show them. Hi guys. Y'all say it.
Hello.
It's Chantel again, and I am back with another video. And I got my niece Jashari with me. My niece Jashari. And as you guys can see from the title of this video, yes, this 5-year-old is about to do my makeup. So, let's get into this video. Get in the frame! She's so silly. Say hi. So when you watch this back later, you can wave to yourself. And wave to Maya. Hi, Maya. Hi, Auntie Mimo. Hi, Mimo. Hi, Mommy. No. Do Auntie Chantel's eye makeup. You gonna put pretty stuff on my eyes?
Yeah.
Which palette you want to use?
Pink.
You want to use the pinky one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here you go. What color? Yeah, pick the colors. Oh, hold up. Oh, you gotta put this, I forgot. You gotta put this on my lid first. So the color can stick. You gotta put it on my eyelids. Is it going on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now rub it in with your finger.
Okay.
Or put some more. Oh, we gotta get some more. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and rub it in.
Okay.
Thank you. You're gonna make me look so pretty.
Done.
Okay, now here's that.
Okay. Done.
Done? No more colors? Come on, let's get fancy. Yep, right. Make me look pretty.
Done.
Oh, it's a little pink. No more? You don't want to do purple? No other colors? Let me get you another brush. Let me get you another brush. Get you another brush. Here's another brush. Yeah. Oh, you mixing colors? Oh, she getting fancy. Done? Okay, one more. One more. We're gonna get you a flat brush. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, she mixing some. Oh, she mixed 3 this time. You're not gonna need no more color? Pick up some more. You took from this one?
No.
And this one, oh, you pick. Okay, let me mind my business. Oh, you gotta do the other eye. Done? Okay. Let's show them. Oh, you got, hold on, let me get you a tissue for her nose. You'll be back. Okay, now you gotta do my eyebrows. What? You gonna do my eyebrows? You gotta use the black. Oh, what? Use whatever color I guess you want to use. Oh, you gonna use black? Okay.
The eyes are here.
My eyebrows. Ooh, girl, yeah, fill them in. You know, Auntie Chantel, your mommy too. We gotta fill in our eyebrows. But you gotta pick up some more. Yep, you gotta pick up some more.
Done.
Done? What about right here? Get some more. You can't be leaving Auntie Chantel with bald spots. You gotta look fleeky. Ooh, okay.
There.
Okay!
Done.
Ooh! Done? Okay. Thank you. Now we're on to the face.
Face.
Gotta conceal my under eyes. So you squeeze a little. Okay, now rub it all under here.
Done.
Okay.
Rub it
No, let me get you a brush. Then you can rub it in. Here.
in. Done.
Whoa, okay. All right, now let's get to the foundation.
That.
Foundation goes all over my face. Okay. So with this, you just go like this. Make little lines all over Auntie Chantel's face.
Okay.
My nose. Yup. Get this side. That's good? Okay, and now you rub it in.
Put this brush too. Done.
Done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Time to show them. Okay, you want to wait? After you got your lip gloss be popping on.
Okay.
Got her lip gloss be popping. Which lip color?
That one.
You want me pink lip gloss like you? Ooh, we're gonna be matching. You don't want to put two on, just one? You can put two on.
Okay. This one.
With the lip gloss?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna save that. Mascara time. You know where this goes, right?
Mm-hmm. Done.
Okay.
Am I gonna paint your nails?
You want to paint my nails too?
Yeah.
She wants to paint my nails. Oh my god, looks so pretty. Oh, you gotta give me my liquid eyeliner. You know where this goes?
No.
Nope, this goes right on top of my eyelashes.
Right here?
Make a line.
Okay, there's a line down here. Done.
Okay, thank you. And now we use this. So you take this, swirl it around, you pat it on Auntie Chantel's face.
Okay. Right here?
All over, just like you did the other stuff. Don't forget to keep getting more.
Done.
You didn't even do my forehead, my chin, my nose. My nose. Get my chin. Thank you. Thank you. You gotta do Auntie Chantel right. Okay. Now we get the highlighter. Come on, you're not done. You're not done. You talking about painting nails and stuff. You ain't done. She's sitting down.
They're supposed to sit there.
You're right, but they can't see you if you're sitting down.
Okay.
Hold on. Come back in frame. Okay, this is highlighter, okay? This goes underneath my eyebrows, on my cheeks, my nose, the tip of my nose, and right here. That's where that goes.
Okay. Right here?
Well, sure. Do you need more?
No.
No.
Now to go here?
Under my eyebrow.
There.
You got my cheeky bones too. Got they go on my cheeks too. Okay. Ooh, we're almost done now. We almost done now. All we gotta do now is the lips, the lippy lips.
And then you're paint your nails?
You wanna paint my nails?
There.
Okay. And now, getting hot. Take your jacket off. Take your jacket off. I'll let you paint my nails too. You can paint my nails afterwards. Mm-hmm. Thank you. And now, yep, we are all finished now. So I'm just gonna go in more, let them show your work. This is what my niecey did. Okay. Come on, come to the camera. This is my MUA right here. Booker. You know, I listed her mom's Facebook in the comment section below. I list her mom's Facebook. You know, Booker. She's my MUA, my makeup artist. Say, I'm an MUA. I hope you enjoyed our little video together. This is my little sugar foot.
Wait, so I can paint your nails.
Yes, you are gonna paint my nails after this. But yeah, we gotta end this video off. So RIP to my Wally, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this, because it'll make us happy. Smile. Alright, peace. Do it. Peace. My niece did my makeup. Oh, and my nails. Oh, I'm popping.